Hello, today I want to show you how to change Instagram picture after posting on your account. First open the Instagram app, then go to the profile page. Here we can find our post page, and here I want to change Instagram picture on this post after posting. We can click on the three dots on the top right corner of the post, and here find the edit. Here we can edit caption or tag people or edit alt text, but we cannot change the Instagram picture after posting on Instagram. But we can repost in this post. For example, click on these dots and then click delete. Click delete and repost this post again. This is all for today. Goodbye.